Hey, it's Clary here, and today I'll be showing you how to adjust your Palworld server settings. Now, to locate most of the server settings, head to Files and then locate the default Palworld settings.ini file. Here you'll see all the server settings, but we're not going to be changing them here. We're going to need to copy the whole set of settings to paste in a little bit. Now, head to Files, Pal, Saved, Config, Linux Server, and then open up the Palworld settings.ini file. This is where you're going to paste what we just copied and where you're going to make alterations. If you change the settings in the file from before, the changes won't appear in game, so make sure the changes are made here. For example, say you want to go ahead and add a server password. You can do so here and enter the password you want people to enter before joining. You can also make any other changes you'd like to the difficulty, rate of game features, and more. However, when you're all done addressing that, restart the server for the changes to take effect. Once that's done, go ahead and copy your hostname. Then, also make sure to head to configuration and remember the game port. Open up Palworld and head to multiplayer, and then type in the hostname and the port at the bottom of the page. Ensure you select this option here as well if you've configured a password. Since I configured a password, it's prompted me with one and I'll be entering it. Then you should be able to enter your server and view all the edits you've made to the settings and play. If you're not sure what each setting does, or you're looking to edit a particular setting, or you don't know what values you can enter for each setting, we recommend heading to the Palworld Settings wiki. We'll leave the link to that in the description. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!